This video features a universal Apple CarPlay interface that works in any car on any screen. Apple CarPlay allows you to control using voice, touchscreen, or your car's factory knobs and buttons. If your vehicle has a compatible touchscreen, you'll be able to operate the interface using your vehicle's factory touchscreen, as shown here on the Cadillac SRX, and here on the Chevy Tahoe. If your vehicle has compatible factory buttons, you'll be able to operate the interface using the vehicle's rotary factory buttons and knobs, like this Acura MDX here, and this Jeep Cherokee. If your vehicle does not have compatible factory buttons or a compatible touchscreen, NavTool will provide for you a remote control, which is custom made to comfortably wrap around your steering wheel and fully operate the interface. All NavTool products are easy to use and easy to install, as this interface is 100% plug and play. Please click the link on the left to subscribe to our channel, and click the link on the right to visit our website.